Do you believe in magic? Not the type associated with casting spells or swishing wands, but rather a more contemporary kind. A form of enchantment that empowers you to create captivating YouTube videos, all without ever revealing your face. Let me introduce you to a remarkable, albeit not entirely secret, form of wizardry that has the potential to transform your anonymous YouTube channel into a vibrant tapestry of creative expression. This enchanting force comes in the form of artificial intelligence. You might think this sounds like an exaggeration, a fairy tale-like claim, but by the time we reach the end of this journey, you'll undoubtedly see AI as your newest, most powerful ally, a catalyst for creativity that's capable of turning dreams into reality. Our story unfolds in a small, snug, dimly lit room, the creative sanctuary of a talented content creator named Alex. Alex dreamed of grandeur, to reach millions of people globally while maintaining anonymity, steering clear of the spotlight of the camera. Despite the relentless hours of editing and crafting compelling narratives, Alex's viewership remained disappointingly stagnant. All this changed when Alex stumbled into the magnetic universe of artificial intelligence, a realm where the ordinary is whisked away to reveal the extraordinary. This is the story of how technology has become the key to unlocking viral content and soaring to new heights of digital success. Envision the scene. It's 2 a.m. and Alex is hunched over their computer, eye strain and fatigue weighing heavily as they comb through endless YouTube tutorials. It was in this bleary state that an unexpected jolt of inspiration struck. Alex discovered a video titled, "How AI Can Create Your Next Viral Hit," and it triggered a light bulb moment. Artificial intelligence wasn't merely confined to the realms of self-driving cars and helpful virtual assistants. It possessed the potential to be the quiet yet dynamic partner in Alex's expansive creative journey. With renewed vigor, Alex dove headfirst into the rich, vast world of AI tools. The first addition to their creative arsenal was an innovative program known for generating stunning and engaging video scripts. These scripts were no ordinary narratives. They were crafted based on trending topics and audience interests, providing Alex with insights into emerging trends and allowing them to tailor content specifically to meet the desires of their audience. This wasn't just about crunching numbers or interpreting analytics. It was akin to holding a crystal ball that unveiled paths to potential viral success. But AI's contribution to Alex's transformative journey didn't pause there. With a solid script in hand, the next crucial element was crafting the audio experience. A captivating narrative voice is often challenging to achieve, yet an AI-driven voice synthesis tool radically transformed the game. This sophisticated tool could turn any script into a captivating voiceover that would engage audiences across countries and continents, supporting multiple languages and dialects seamlessly. However, merely generating precise, clean audio is insufficient in capturing a YouTube audience's attention. Equally compelling visuals are imperative. Enter another instrumental piece of AI magic, a state-of-the-art AI-powered video editor. This tool became the virtual brush in Alex's creative hands, crafting visual mosaics as part of Alex's final polished product. With features like automated transitions, beat syncing, and access to a vast library of appropriate stock footage, Alex could trust the AI's intelligence to churn out professional-quality videos, accomplishing in minutes what previously took hours, or even days, to create manually. As Alex polished their skills in writing scripts, producing audio, and editing videos, one puzzle piece remained conspicuously absent. Enter, center stage, the AI-driven SEO tools. These digital marvels provided a crucial edge by assisting with keyword optimization and influence mapping, ensuring that Alex's faceless content would ascend the YouTube ranks with rocket-like velocity. These tools became the connective tissue between Alex's creativity and their audience, ensuring visibility and reachability in the vast digital landscape. Yet, what good is phenomenal content if it remains hidden from the world? This is where the algorithm-driven sphere of AI emerged as a pivotal ally. AI tools played an intrinsic role in crafting catchy titles, designing eye-grabbing thumbnails, and ultimately positioning Alex's content in the optimal space at the optimal time to maximize exposure. Every AI-driven tool Alex explored and embraced unlocked new potential for unprecedented achievement on YouTube, making previously unattainable goals seem within easy reach. A crucial moment of introspection led to an epiphany for Alex. No digital tool, regardless of its sophistication, could supplant the human element in creativity and authenticity. Alex recognized the necessity to blend human intuition with artificial intelligence, a fusion of magic, where the human essence and technological prowess combined to form an unstoppable force. This amalgamation was the authentic magic that empowered Alex to stand out from the digital clutter. The conclusion of our story is nothing short of a digital fairy tale. As Alex uploaded their latest AI-enhanced video, the impact was swift and memorable. Views surged, engagement blossomed like a vibrant garden in spring, and the influx of likes and comments painted a vivid picture of an enchanted, captivated audience. It became abundantly clear that while AI laid the groundwork, it was Alex's distinctive voice, vision, and narrative flair that resonated deeply and meaningfully with viewers. What lessons, then, can we draw from this digital odyssey? Quite simply, AI is not merely a tool, it's an extension of human creativity. For any aspiring YouTuber, especially those choosing to remain faceless, AI opens doors to creativity, efficiency, and growth that once seemed unimaginable. Yet, the ultimate magic lies within the tenacity of a creator willing to adapt, innovate, and embrace the unexplored terrain of possibility. In the refreshed glow of a once dimly lit workspace, Alex's path to success was clearly illuminated, imbued with newfound confidence. Each video was no longer mere content. It became an articulated expression of their silent self, enhanced quietly yet profoundly by the harmonious hum of a computer's artificial brilliance. However, this narrative isn't the conclusion. Instead, it's the prologue to a far grander adventure. Alex's journey with AI was starting to crescendo with a symphony of digital thought and creativity harmonizing. On the cusp of further exploration is the exciting world of future innovations, where the dance between storytelling and artificial intelligence could yield the unimaginable. And the horizon holds even more secrets to unveil as we navigate into the next chapter of enhancing human creativity through seamless technological integration. Have you ever pondered how AI might revolutionize and supercharge your social media engagement and market influence? Stay engaged, because the revelations that follow promise to forever transform the way we view digital marketing. The question is, dear listener, are you ready for the forthcoming voyage into this vast, magical AI-augmented world?